using AI agents, a real business use case. This is a very important and powerful use case that can allow mostly companies that are driving a lot of traffic via paid ads using video creatives to analyze their creatives using agents, and using agents to propose ways to optimize the creative. This is a work in progress, but I wanted to record this video to show you how you can leverage AI agents in order to do what I mentioned, which is generating creative and analyzing creative. We are going to use different LLMs. We are going to use Google Gemini or Google's AI Studio, and we are going to use OpenAI. I built the code using Windsurf as an IDE, and again using the AG2 framework for generating the agents. So basically, as I said, we are also going to use Minimax, which is a text-to-video tool. Before moving forward, let me show you an example, a very cool example, which is slightly embarrassing, of a video that I created. Basically, what Minimax does, it allows you to upload a prompt, and it generates 6 seconds of video. Alternatively, you can also upload an image, which is going to be the seed, the initialization image, and from there on, it can generate 6 seconds of video based on the image, which is very powerful. You can find it on Replicate. It costs 50 cents per generation, or you can find it in their original website, which is this website, Helio AI Video Generator, and over there it's going to be more affordable. So let me show you just an example that I created. I uploaded my profile picture, which I use everywhere in LinkedIn, Facebook, and also in the YouTube thumbnails. And I told it to generate, the prompt was this male dancing, and check this out. And this, the original image is this, and then see how amazing it created, like the body, the hands, the muscles. I'm a bit more muscular than this, but it's good enough. The moves also look like my moves, so this is why Minimax is a very powerful tool for generating text to video. And what we want to do is take an original video, which is in this case is going to be this ad by AG1. We want to analyze it.
Giving your body what it needs can sometimes feel really complicated,
just so you get the context.
But it doesn't have to be. We're Athletic Greens, here to make healthy habits beautifully easy for you. We designed AG1 to give your body the support it needs every day, combining the highest quality multivitamin, pre and probiotics, greens, and so much more. This is the future of foundational nutrition. One scoop once a day. Learn more at athleticgreens.com.
Awesome. So what we can do is use Google AI Studio. Now, Google AI Studio is the only, currently is the only multimodal LLM that is able to analyze videos. And this is why it's so powerful. And let's upload that specific file. So we want to upload this file, and then we can prompt the AI to generate an analysis of the video. Can you please analyze this video? Let's do voice typing. I want a breakdown of all the scenes, and also tell me which characters are involved in the video, plus share a transcript. Let's see if it's typing, not typing. Try again. Never mind. I want a breakdown of all scenes, transcript, tone, description of hook. So you saw exactly like the video. Let's see the analysis that Gemini is going to provide us. So check it out. It was so fast as well. So scene breakdown, 0, I mean, from the beginning till the 4th second is coastal scene with sunset, followed by 3 scenes of people in various locations inside a house focused on a flower and a woman in profile. At the end, close-up of the logo AG1 and words Athletic Greens, followed by the website address athleticgreens.com. Here's the transcript. Giving your body what it needs can sometimes feel really complicated, but it doesn't have to be. We're Athletic Greens, here to make healthy habits beautifully easy for you. The tone is calming, positive and encouraging. The description of the hook, so this is very important, especially for if you're running Meta ads or also YouTube ads, to be honest. The hook is very important, so you want to be able to analyze hooks very fast and at scale. So as you can see here, there's an analysis of the hook. The hook is presented in the first few lines of the video. It addresses the common struggle of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, acknowledging the perceived complexity. Now, this way, you can also upload a ton of videos, and this is what I did in the past, and via API, just get an analysis of all the videos. Now, a few more advanced settings for this is, first of all, you can structure the output. So, structured output, basically you tell the LLM how exactly you want the output to look like. And it can be like a schema. So let's say it's a JSON schema. So let's say hook description, and we want it to be a string, duration of video. We want it to be a number because we want in seconds. Now, product name, we want it to be a string, tone string. What else? Transcript, it's going to be a string, and scene is going to be an array of strings. So I just use this. And we can also mark something as required. So this is required, this is required, this is required, this is required, this is required as well. Additional information. Let's say copywriting advice. So now that we have this, and this isn't going to be required, let's see how it changes the output. Can you analyze the video again? And you will see that it's going to return the output in a JSON format based on what we require. So duration of video in seconds is 30 seconds. Hook description. The advertisement starts by emphasizing the common challenges of maintaining a healthy routine and presents Athletic Greens as a convenient way to incorporate necessary nutrients daily. Product name, AG1 by Athletic Greens. Scene. So this is the array. Beach sunset with people, inside the home, close up of a yellow flower, woman in profile, blah, blah, blah. Then we have the tone, peaceful, optimistic, and health conscious. Then we have the transcript of the whole video. Let's see if we have anything else. Copywriting advice, focus on ease and convenience of using AGI while highlighting comprehensive nutritional benefits, etc. So this is very powerful. Now, if you want to get the whole code, you can just come here, click get code, and select which language you would like. So Python. Let's say you want the Python code of this script. We can just copy it, and then you can generate this programmatically. Now, what I did, I built an agent swarm using AG2 that is going to analyze a video that I'm going to upload, and then it's going to hand over the analysis to different agents, and these agents are going to provide advice based on the video. Then another agent is going to step in, write a new script, and then the fourth agent is going to take the script and provide prompts for creating the scenes here in Minimax. And again, as I told you, this is a work in progress. I don't have this Minimax, the video generation, nailed down yet. But let's move on to the generation of the swarm. And if you're interested in learning more about the swarm-based agents, I highly recommend that you check out this new blog post that was published by the AG2 team. Basically, what you should know is that they introduced an ability to hand off different tasks. So there are 4 different types of handoffs. So first of all, agent level, in which you call a tool that returns a swarm agent. Another level is you call a predefined, you have like conditions for doing handoffs, which is also very important and allows you more ability to control the flow. There is an after work handoff. So basically, when no tool calls are made, it can use an optional after work handoff, which is a default option or an option of after finishing something. And we also have the after work handoff. If the agent does not have an after work handoff, the swarm, so this is like a swarm level. If we finished like all the handoffs of a specific agent, we also can do like a handoff in the swarm level. And there are more examples in the blog post, but I don't want to waste too much effort and time on this because I want to show you the example. So basically what I did, I just copied this whole blog post and I copied the code from here. And I told Windsurf, which is the IDE that I'm using, which is an AI coding assistant or AI coding IDE, to generate the code for me. I'm going to remove the API keys afterwards, just so you know. Now, this is how the code looks like. I won't go into too much details, but basically we are sending out the file. I mean, I'm telling it exactly where is the file located locally. It's going to upload the file to Google Gemini. It's going to analyze the file. It's going to return a structured output. And then we have the add improvement agent. Let me see what other agents we have. First, we have the video analysis agent, which is going to analyze the video. This is his system message. We are using GPT-4, so combining 2 models. Then we are taking the context, which is from the video analysis results, and we are moving it to the new agent, which is called Add Improvement Agent, which is basically going to suggest ideas for enhancing the advertisement based on the Add Improvement feedback. And as you can see, we are handing off the context, the results from the prior iteration. We are going to move this feedback to the script generator agent, which is, as you can see here, your task is to create a script based on the add improvement feedback. We are going to take the results from this specific agent and move them forward as context to the next agent, which is the prompt creator agent, which is the agent that is supposed to provide prompts for a text-to-video solution based on the script. And what I'm going to do in the upcoming days is connect this to Minimax in order to generate the scenes. Now here is how it looks like. By the way, I'm using debugging for everything. This is why it might look a bit messy. Let's expand this. So as you can see, this is the file path. Let's just make sure that this is the correct one. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, this is the file path. So this is the debugging, video analysis. This is the response from calling the tool of the video analysis. So I use a different schema over here. So I want the background color, which is light brown, green, blue, white, and gray. The description of the actors, man and woman, the duration, the product name, the scenes. What else do we have here? We have the scenes, and we have the transcript. And then we are forwarding the analysis, which is the duration. The video is 30 seconds long. The actors, the video features a man and a woman. The product being advertised is athletic greens. This is the background color. This is the scenes. And this is an analysis. In terms of content, the video promotes a product called AG1 by Athletic Greens, which is portrayed as a simple solution to nutritional needs. The script explains AG1 as a high-quality multivitamin supplement that includes pre- and probiotics, blah, blah, blah. Moving forward, this is the debugging. Now, the ad improvement agent is going to suggest ideas. So based on the analysis, here are a few suggestions. Suggested improvement for your advertisement. The narration is clear and straightforward, but could benefit from more emotionally charged language. Then the visuals of the advertisement are already appealing, but it's important that they align tightly with the script and product's benefits. And then the call to action at the end is quite broad. Perhaps include additional specific, such as a limited time discount to encourage viewers to take immediate action. Then it suggests product demonstration. While the advertisement demonstrates usage of the product, it could benefit from incorporating more scenes that illustrate the ease of incorporating athletic greens into daily routine. Then the color scheme, and obviously like a disclaimer, please note the advertisements are subject to testing and may vary depending on target audience and the platform where the ad will be shown. This is obvious, but it's a good disclaimer. Then we are moving towards the next agent, which is the script generator agent. And what he does here, he just proposes a new script. Looking after your body can often feel complex and overwhelming, right? But what if he told you it doesn't have to be? Meet Athletic Greens. Our mission is to make your journey to health not just simple but enjoyable too. Then it lays down the whole script. I'm not going to go over it. And once we have this script, we are going to send it over to the prompt creator, which is going to generate a detailed, it's supposed to generate a very detailed prompts for the text to video solution. I see here that in this iteration, it didn't produce what I wanted. Based on the provided analysis, create an engaging and detailed description for an advertisement video targeting health enthusiasts and athletic people promoting Athletic Greens AGI, a dietary supplement that combines a multivitamin, probiotics, and greens. The primary colors used in the video are light brown, blah, blah, blah. The video features various scenes. Okay, so here, in this instance, it didn't generate it broken down by scenes, but this is funny because I tested this script before and it did generate like a prompt for every scene. So this just shows you the fact that the temperature and randomness is something that need to be taken into account. I need to tweak the prompt slightly and perhaps also set this to generate structured output like prompts for every 5 seconds or every scene. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to generate a breakdown of the scenes in the structured output, and then I'm going to send it as context or maybe for the script. But anyway, I need to break down the script into scenes, and I need to request the prompt creator agent to generate prompts based on every scene. This is what I'm planning to do next. And then I want to send all of these scenes programmatically to Minimax in order to generate, let's try here. Let's create, I don't know if it will just waste a lot of time. Let's see, AG1. Let's see. Let's save this. AG1. AG1. Video of a man opening up the supplement and drinking from it. Let's see what happens. Just a test. It's going to take a few seconds, so while it is generating, shorter side of image must be at least, okay, let's see, let's save this one, AG2, upload the image. Let's see what happens. I know what's the issue. Let's try to upload JPEGs. AG1 JPEG. Let's see now. And we're just going to test this, and then we're going to start concluding the video. Okay, so let's conclude. What we had here in the video is just an automation, workflow automation using AG2, the agentic framework. I created a swarm that, first of all, uses Google Gemini in order to analyze a video, analyze a creative. Then we take that analysis and use different agents to build suggestions for an improvement of the creative. Ideally, the goal is then to take these prompts, create text to video prompts, and then generate B-roll or like a new ad for the product. Obviously, this is a very complex task and it requires a lot of tweaks and adjustments, but I just wanted to show you how I use the AG2 swarm and how I combine between two different models, because you know every model has its own limitations and advantages. The greatest thing about the Google Gemini model is the fact that it can take videos as input, and also, as you saw, it produces pretty well-structured output based on the schema that you provided. So this is also powerful. Yes, I could have probably used the whole workflow and just create a better prompt here in the Google Studio and then not use the agents. But this is something that I want to build, and I believe that when we are going to use the agents and also going back and forth with the agents, because later on the agents would be able to use like a vision model in order to analyze the video and also do QA. And this is why I wanted to like use an agentic framework instead of having the whole thing just in one prompt, because basically we could have said, based on the analysis, provide a detailed script, a detailed improved script. Also make sure to give me scenes so I will send them to my video editor. So we could have done this, but then we are not using the agentic framework and we are losing a lot of flexibility. Obviously, there are pros and cons for using the agentic framework, because with flexibility increases complexity. As you can see here, we can just turn off the edit scheme. The structured output, and as you can see here, it is going to generate the response. Let's see if this finished generating. It takes a few seconds to generate this. Anyway, while we're waiting for the video to generate, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to comment below with your ideas or feedback. This is the video. Let's see. Amazing. Wow, wow, wow. This is sick. Way better than I expected. Crazy. I love it. So just gave it the product and generate this. That's sick. This is very cool. That's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep on automating. Let's check this out before we move on. So here's the revised script, scenes. As you can see, we can take these suggestions and probably somehow inject them here and produce a new ad. I think it's going to be a lot of effort and a lot of QA, but we are moving closer to being able to generate these type of useful and powerful workflows. That's it, guys. Until next time, keep on automating.